Happy birthday to you.
Now that I've got us all here together, I'd like to say welcome to the 90th birthday party.
Dewey came to us with a pretty involved stroke.
I actually went to the computer and did some typing, and it just slowly went numb. When my arm wouldn't move, I was beginning to get a little frightened. So we went to Highway 9. They treated me there and did the MRIs and stuff. And then they put me in the ambulance and brought me to Norman Regional.
He required two of us for transfers and mobility, and was leaning pretty hard to the left.
His speech was also impaired, which for him that was a big deal.
Just a few days ago, I couldn't have said good morning to you. Well, when I first checked in, this girl came up to me and was telling me how to eat my food, what to do with my tongue. Red leather, yellow leather.
Red leather, yellow leather.
But I wasn't sure that I was slurring my words as bad as I was. They came up and told me this bit about how they treat stroke victims, and I figured out from that they really were experienced in the matter, and I took comfort in that because I didn't know what to do.
One thing that sticks out with Dewey is his motivation. He works so hard, and that's something we can't do for them.
And his wife was a very big factor, and she was here every single day. I feel like when you have also that family factor or somebody external to also help motivate you, that can make a big difference.
Look at that arm. When that started coming back, I really felt thrilled.
He really is a special guy, and when he had the stroke, it was detrimental to him in a lot of ways because he wasn't going to get to spend that with his family.
Why did you want to give a speech?
Well, I've been preparing it for my celebration at home when the grandkids all come in. So I just love to talk anyway. And my biggest thing was to keep it short. We decided just to keep it down to the therapy. Thanks to each and every one of the therapy group who managed to find the right words and phrases to get through to me, tell me what to do. I just hope that it elevates their pride in their own job and they think more of themselves, because you brought me back from the brink of a medical disaster.
Boy, that was great. Good job. I liked your speech.
That's why we do what we do. Yeah. I mean, really, it's why we do what we do.
It's been a good birthday. Got lots of company and friends, and what more could you ask? I'm going to continue this therapy at home. I'm going to outpatient therapy, and I'm going to continue therapy on my own. As far as being 90 years old, all I have to say is, send me in, coach.